of the year.
7 years.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to gather everyone's attention here for 2 seconds so we can kick this off, our Saint or Sinner launch. Ladies and gentlemen, for those that don't know, my name is Brett David. I'm the CEO and principal of this house here, Prestige Imports, Lamborghini Miami. I want to genuinely thank you for coming tonight. So give a round of applause for all of you guys that came out on this lovely evening on Art Basel to be a part of tonight. You know, when I go back and I think about some of the different rally groups across the world that, we don't need to mention any names, but we go back and we start thinking about the different organizations. It's never genuinely about the route. It's not genuinely about the crazy car that you bring. It's about the people. And that's the craziest part about GOLDRUSH. I've been part of the family with you guys, with the entire team for so many years, and I've watched this entire organization grow into what it is today. And at the end of it, you guys are just a bunch of car people that love crazy, crazy experiences, and you meet incredible people along the way. And that's what cars are about. A lot of us, we get excited and we say we want to jump in that sports car just for us to have pride of ownership, to look at it in the garage, go out and look and see and touch it. But you guys are the actual individuals that get behind the wheel and use these vehicles for exactly what they're meant for. And that's what GOLDRUSH is all about. Art Basel week in Miami is a crazy week. And how many of you guys live here in Miami? Raise your hand if you live here. All right, good. So we have a lot of the 305, but many of you are from out of town. So you can understand that the week of Art Basel is truly the text message to your friends at the different Art Basel events, the where you at Olympics, because there's so much going on throughout this week. You're jumping into Ubers and you spend more of your time going from one location to the next, and then you get to that location, you're there for 10, 15, you say hello to who you have to say hello to, and then you're off to the next. So I know how busy this week is. I'm grateful for you guys to take the part, leaving the beach, leaving downtown Woodwood Design District, and joining us for tonight. Last night, we unveiled our Prestige Imports Performing Art pop-up in the heart of the Miami Design District. We relaunched it. We opened it up about 2 years ago. Through COVID, we remained open, and now we have done something with Rio Cam, who is an incredible photographer and artist. And if you have a chance to stop by, we had some of the GOLDRUSH family members there last night, and it was amazing. We're here, we're living, we're happy, we're breathing. At the end of the day, nothing is going to stop life as we know it. We all have to continue strong. Let's finish 2021 off safe, walk into 2022 with a smile. And I know Johnny has some pretty cool updates for the next route. And then we get to sit and watch this Saint and Sinner tour. And just for you, by the way, I wore all white because I'm not a sinner, I'm slightly a saint, right? Maybe tonight. Without further ado, guys, thank you so much for coming to my home. I appreciate you guys being a part of this evening. Thank you to the team at Prestige for putting this on. I love you guys, and I'm gonna pass the mic over to Johnny.
Hey everybody, my name is Johnny Valencia with GOLDRUSH Rally. Super thankful that you guys were able to make it out tonight. Art Basel Week, it's a big deal. We couldn't have thought of a better place to do this. So thank you so much, Brett and your team, Javier, you guys have been great. So what you're gonna witness tonight is a little bit of what happened this year. This year, New York to Dallas, I'm not gonna give it away. It's gonna be here on the screen behind me. But what I wanna do now is tell you a little bit about what's happening in 2022. Without further ado, GOLDRUSH Rally 2022 is gonna be one more run against the sun. What that means is we're going to begin in one of our most beloved cities, and we're going to travel by land, by air, and end it with a grand sea finale fitting for celebrating a cross-country experience. Where are we going to kick it off? Vegas, baby. We like to play, we like to sin. What better place than Sin City? So, a lot of memories from a few months ago, and it's just a little, little tidbit about what Gold Rush Rally is. So, let's kick it off.
I'm a decent man. I did some wrong. I'm always right.
How was it that you guys found out about Gold Rush Rally, and what made you guys decide to be a part of Gold Rush?
It's happening. Always happens. Anytime you have a nice holiday here, you try to get we're going to do an interview with you for the next Gold Rush film.